In the vibrant countryside of Happy Farm, the sun began to rise, casting a warm glow over the rolling green hills. Mr. Redcomb greeted the morning with a cheerful crow, his vibrant feathers shining in the golden sunlight. The gentle cow stood patiently beside the bucket, offering her nutritious milk to the farmer with a warm and friendly smile. The fluffy sheep grazed in the meadow, savoring the flavors of the earth as she filled her belly with nourishment. Teacher Duck arrived with a flurry of quacks, ready to share her knowledge and inspire the farm animals with her warm and friendly presence. The piglet oinked excitedly, proud to show off his cozy pigsty to the other animals, its mud and straw walls offering comfort and warmth. The duckling quacked happily as she swam in the pond, the water rippling around her, reflecting her bright yellow feathers. The chick peeped with excitement, curious about the world beyond the fence, eager to explore and learn from the other farm animals. The animals gathered around, their eyes wide with wonder, as they admired each other's homes, realizing how unique and special each place was. The sheep's eyes sparkled with awe as she stepped inside the pigsty, marveling at the coziness she had never experienced before. The piglet's heart swelled with admiration as he gazed at the vast green meadows, imagining how it would feel to roam freely like the sheep. The animals frolicked and explored, their laughter drifting through the air as they enjoyed the newfound joy of friendship and the excitement of discovering together. Under the protection of a large shady tree, the animals snuggled close, their differences no longer a barrier but a testament to the beauty of friendship and the power of unity. They lived harmoniously, forever learning from each other and forming lasting bonds on the vibrant Happy Farm.
Thanks for watching.